Okay, be honest with me. Have you ever felt like English is just too hard? Like you study and study, but when you actually need to speak, nothing comes out? Or worse, the wrong thing comes out and everyone just stares at you? Yeah, I've been there. But here's the secret nobody tells you about learning English, and it's going to change everything for you. Stay with us.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing. Max, you're making me blush. But yes, hello everyone. We are so happy you're here today.
So today's episode is really special because we're talking about something super important. We're talking about not giving up.
That's right. We know learning English can feel really difficult sometimes. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel like you're not getting better. Maybe you think, why am I doing this?
But here's what we promise you today. By the end of this episode, you will understand why you can do this. You will feel motivated again, and you will have simple, easy steps to keep going, even when it's hard.
Yes, and we're going to use super simple English today so everyone can understand. No complicated grammar, no difficult words, just real talk about real feelings.
Perfect. So, are you ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Lily, let me start with a question. Why do people give up on English?
That's a good question. I think people give up because they expect too much too fast.
Exactly. They want to be fluent in 3 months. They want to speak like a native speaker immediately, but that's not realistic.
Right. Learning English is like going to the gym. You don't go one time and suddenly have big muscles, right?
No, if only. I would go to the gym one time and be done.
Me too. But it doesn't work like that. You have to go many times. You have to be patient. You have to keep going.
And English is the same. You have to practice a little bit every day. You have to be patient with yourself.
Yes, be patient with yourself. That's so important. Say that with me, everyone. I will be patient with myself.
Good. Now, here's another reason people give up. They compare themselves to other people.
Oh, this is a big one. They see someone speaking English perfectly and they think, I will never be that good.
But here's the truth. That person didn't start perfect. They made mistakes. They felt embarrassed. They struggled, just like you.
Absolutely. Everyone starts at zero. Even native speakers were babies once. They didn't know any words.
That's true. We all start from nothing. So don't compare your beginning to someone else's middle or end.
Yes, compare yourself to you. Ask yourself, am I better than I was last month? Last year?
If the answer is yes, even just a little bit, then you're doing great. You're making progress.
And progress is what matters, not perfection. Progress.
Say it with us. Progress, not perfection.
Beautiful. Now let me tell you a story. When I was learning English, I made so many mistakes. One time I was at a restaurant and I wanted to say I'm full, meaning I ate enough food.
Uh-oh, I know where this is going.
Yes, but I didn't say I'm full. I said I'm pregnant.
Oh no!
The waiter looked so confused and I was so embarrassed. But you know what? I learned. I never made that mistake again.
That's the point. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. If you never make mistakes, you never learn. So don't be afraid of mistakes.
In fact, make more mistakes. Make lots of mistakes, because every mistake teaches you something.
Yes, be brave, make mistakes, and learn from them.
Okay, now let's talk about another big problem. Sometimes people give up because they don't see results fast enough.
Right. They study for 2 weeks and think, why am I not fluent yet?
But think about it. If you want to learn piano, do you expect to play like Mozart after 2 weeks?
No way.
If you want to learn to cook, do you expect to be a chef after 2 weeks?
Definitely not.
So why do we expect English to be different? Language learning takes time. It takes practice. It takes patience.
But here's the good news. If you practice a little bit every day, you will get better. Maybe you don't see it today, maybe you don't see it this week, but in 3 months, 6 months, you will be amazed.
Yes, and that's why we say, don't give up. Keep going. Trust the process.
Trust the process. I love that. Everyone, repeat. I trust the process.
Okay, wait, before we continue, let me ask you something. Right now, in this moment, do you believe you can learn English?
Seriously, think about it. Do you really believe you can do this?
Because if you don't believe it, it will be very hard, but if you do believe it, everything changes.
So take a deep breath and say with us, I can learn English. I will not give up.
Good. Now, let's talk about how to actually stay motivated even when it's hard.
Okay, so Max, what's the first tip for staying motivated?
First tip, make it fun. If English feels like homework, you will hate it. But if English feels like a game or a hobby, you will love it.
Yes, so how do we make it fun?
Easy. Watch movies you enjoy, listen to music you like, read books about topics you care about.
Don't force yourself to read boring textbooks. Find something interesting.
Exactly. For example, do you like cooking?
I love cooking.
Then watch cooking shows in English. Learn recipes in English. You're learning and having fun.
Oh, that's smart. Or if you like video games, play games in English.
Yes, or if you like soccer, watch soccer videos in English.
The point is, connect English to things you already love. Then it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly. Second tip, set small goals. Don't say, I want to be fluent. That's too big and too vague.
Right. Instead, say something like, this week I will learn 5 new words.
Or today, I will watch 1 English video.
Or this month I will have 1 conversation in English.
Small goals are easier to achieve, and when you achieve them, you feel good. You feel motivated to keep going.
Yes, and each small goal is like a small victory. Celebrate it.
Celebrate every victory, no matter how small.
Yes. Did you learn 1 new word today? Celebrate. Did you understand 1 sentence? Celebrate.
You deserve it. Learning a language is hard work.
Okay, third tip. Find a community. Don't learn alone.
This is so important. When you learn with other people, it's more fun. And when you feel like giving up, they can help you.
Yes, join an online group. Find a language partner. Talk to other learners.
And guess what? You already have a community. Everyone watching this video right now is part of the Mr. Englishman family.
That's right. We're all learning together. We're all supporting each other.
So leave a comment below. Tell us, why are you learning English? What's your goal?
And read other people's comments. You'll see you're not alone. We're all in this together.
Fourth tip, remember your why. Why did you start learning English?
Ooh, this is deep, but it's important.
Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to understand movies without subtitles.
Maybe you want to make friends from other countries. Maybe you want to study abroad.
Whatever your reason is, write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it every day.
Yes, because when you feel tired, when you feel like giving up, look at that reason. Remember why you started.
Your why is your power. It will keep you going.
Beautiful. Okay, fifth tip. Take breaks when you need them.
Wait, what? Take breaks? But won't that make me forget everything?
No, listen. If you study English every single day for 6 months without a break, you will burn out. You will get tired. You will start to hate it.
Oh, I see. So taking a break actually helps.
Yes. If you feel exhausted, take 1 day off or even 2 days. Rest your brain. Do something else.
And then when you come back, you'll feel fresh and motivated again.
Exactly. Learning English is a marathon, not a sprint. You need to pace yourself.
That makes sense. Okay, so those are 5 tips. Let me repeat them. 1. Make it fun. 2. Set small goals. 3. Find a community. 4. Remember your why. 5. Take breaks when you need them.
Perfect. Everyone, try at least one of these tips this week.
Okay, now let's do something fun. Let's practice saying positive things to ourselves in English.
Yes, because the way we talk to ourselves is so important. If we say negative things, we feel bad. But if we say positive things, we feel good.
So I'm going to say a positive sentence, and I want you, yes, you, listening right now, to repeat it out loud, okay?
Don't be shy. Nobody can hear you. Just try it.
Ready? First one, I am doing my best.
Good. Say it again. I am doing my best.
Next one, every day I get a little better.
One more time. Every day I get a little better.
Next, mistakes help me learn.
Say it with confidence. Mistakes help me learn.
And one more, I will not give up.
Louder. I will not give up.
Yes. How do you feel? Do you feel more positive?
I hope so, because these sentences are powerful. Say them every day. Believe them.
Okay, Lily, you know what I love? I love hearing success stories from our listeners.
Oh, me too. Like that person who commented last week saying they got a job because of their English skills.
Yes, or that student who said they passed their English exam after watching our videos.
These stories make me so happy. They prove that hard work pays off.
Exactly. And you know what? Your success story could be next.
Yes. Imagine 6 months from now. You're speaking English confidently. You're understanding movies. You're chatting with people from around the world.
How does that feel? Pretty amazing, right?
That future is possible, but only if you don't give up.
Only if you keep practicing, keep trying, keep believing in yourself.
And we believe in you. We really do.
Everyone watching this video right now, you are capable. You are strong. You can do this.
Don't let anyone tell you that you can't, not even yourself.
Oh, and before we finish, stay until the end because we have one bonus tip that changed everything for me when I was learning languages.
Yes, don't skip ahead. This last tip is gold.
Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we talked about today.
First, we said be patient with yourself. Learning takes time.
Second, don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self.
Third, mistakes are good. They help you learn.
Fourth, make English fun. Connect it to things you love.
Fifth, set small, achievable goals.
Sixth, find a community. Learn with others.
Seventh, remember why you started. Your why is your power.
And eighth, take breaks when you need them. Rest is important.
These 8 points will help you stay motivated and keep going, even when English feels hard.
Okay, ready for the bonus tip?
Yes, tell us.
Here it is. Talk to yourself in English every day.
Wait, talk to myself? Like out loud?
Yes, I know it sounds weird, but it works.
Okay, explain.
When you talk to yourself in English, you practice speaking without pressure. Nobody is listening, nobody is judging. You can make mistakes freely,
Oh, that's actually smart.
right? So, for example, when you wake up, say, "Good morning. Today is going to be a great day."
Or when you're cooking, describe what you're doing. Now I'm cutting the onion. Now I'm adding salt.
Exactly. Or when you're walking, describe what you see. I see a blue car. I see a tall tree.
This is brilliant because you're practicing all the time, but there's no stress.
And the more you talk, the more comfortable you become. Your brain gets used to thinking in English.
Wow, everyone try this. Talk to yourself in English. It might feel silly at first, but trust us, it helps.
So, my friends, we're at the end of today's episode.
But before we go, we want to say one more thing.
You are amazing. Seriously. The fact that you're here, listening to this, trying to improve your English, that takes courage.
Yes, learning a new language is not easy, but you're doing it anyway. That's incredible.
So please don't give up. Even when it's hard, even when you feel frustrated, keep going.
Because every word you learn, every sentence you practice, every mistake you make, it's all bringing you closer to your goal.
And we're here with you, every step of the way.
That's right. We're your English friends. We'll keep making videos to help you. We'll keep cheering you on.
So do us a favor. Right now, leave a comment and tell us what's one phrase from today that you will use this week.
Yes, or tell us, why are you learning English? What's your dream?
We read every comment and we love hearing from you.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other learners find us too.
And subscribe to Mr. Englishman if you haven't already. We post new videos every week.
Next week, we're going to teach you how to sound more natural when you speak English. We'll cover common phrases that native speakers use every day.
You don't want to miss it. It's going to be super useful.
Until then, keep practicing, keep believing, and remember,
Don't give up on English.
because English isn't giving up on you.
I love that. Okay, everyone. Thanks for listening.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.